Mayat ay agsapat na kwame. Good morning, and how's everybody? This is Cucina and welcome to my Cucina. For today's video, I'll be cooking a chicken with sweet corn creamy style. This is an easy recipe to cook for unplanned dinner or lunch. So let's start. Bago tayo magluto ay ito muna yung ating mga ingredients. Mayroon tayo ditong boneless chicken breast, salt and pepper, soy sauce, sugar, egg, flour, sweet cream corn. Ayan. Ngayon, hinihiwa ko yung ating chicken breast into pieces. Ngayon ay ma-marinate natin yung ating chicken ng 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, one teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of flour. Then, ihalo lang natin ng maayos para ma-coat yung ating chicken sa ating marination. At isang tabi natin muna. Takpan natin at hayaan natin ma-marinate ng 30 minutes. And ito na yung ating sweet corn cream style. So, time to coat the chicken with flour and egg. Ayan, ilalagay ko lang yung isang itlog din. Ihalo natin sa chicken. Ngayon ay i-coat natin ng chicken sa ating flour bago natin iprito. Yun, oras na para iprito yung ating chicken. So, maglalagay lang ako ng mantika sa mainit nating wok. Para i-check kung okay na daw yung mantika. Ganito. Ayan. Pag nilagay mo yung chopstick at kumukulo, okay na. Mainit na po yung mantika. So, di-deep fry lang natin yung ating chicken. I-fry lang natin ng golden brown yung kanilang crispy. Tapos, hahanguin natin. Sa malinis na wok, ay papainit natin yung ating corn. Kapag okay na, idadagdag natin o babalik natin yung ating pinritong manok. Tapos, ihalo lang natin para ma-coat yung ating chicken ng ating corn creamy style na sauce. Pag nahalo na lahat at okay na, it's ready na to serve. So, let's eat! Nag-chop lang ako ng spring onion para sa garnish. And now, creamy corn chicken is done. So let's eat. Always remember that a good recipe is useless if without heart in cooking. Happy tummy!